MemeFi lovers, this is Doc Mountain and this is my channel. If it's your first time you're visiting, I welcome you. In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps that you have to take for you to claim your tokens from MemeFi. So for now, there is no other exchange to which you can withdraw your tokens apart from OKX. So this video is basically on how you can withdraw tokens from MemeFi to OKX. I presuppose that you already have OKX. If you don't have it, make sure that you install it and then you have it verified or you have it authenticated. So verification is simply the process that is taken by a user to ensure that you submit the IDs, you do one or two things on an exchange so that you become an authenticated user. So now let's head on to MemeFi so that we start from there and then we get back to OKX. So OKX is the one which is here. Let's take a ride and head on to Telegram. Okay, so here we are. I've logged on to my MemeFi account. So what is it that I have to do? So what I need to do is I need to click airdrop. So when you get here, click airdrop. Okay, so now you will see these. Let me just click away everything. I close this. There's this prompt that you stake your coins. So now staking is one way of holding your coins so as to earn some profits on top of what you have actually held. It's more like banking. You keep your money in the bank for some time without using it, and then after that period within which you keep that money, you earn some profits on top of that money. So that's the same concept here, but I wouldn't advise you to do the same. Many people complain that when they were doing Notcoin, they were mining Notcoin, the moment that before they received their coins, they staked them. And what happened was, by the time the tokens got unlocked, it had actually gone bearish. And those people had actually withdrawn the tokens. The moment it got listed, they made profits big time. So it's optional. You don't always have to lock up the tokens. So I'm gonna close this one, and then you check this one. They're saying you can claim to OKX Web3 wallet, or you can claim off-chain. Okay, off-chain. So here you simply click there, and then you'll see these two boxes. On top there, you need to paste in the OKX UID, and then in the second box you have to paste in the withdraw address. So I'm gonna take you back to OKX so that we copy the OKX ID. Okay, so here is OKX and I'm opening it. Okay, so you need to know that you are withdrawing to your exchange, not to your Web3 wallet. So you check on top there and ensure that exchange is the one which is active. So I'm gonna click exchange, and boom, we have switched to exchange and we are withdrawing to the exchange. So the next thing that I'll do is I will click in the top left corner so as to copy the UID. Okay, boom. And then when you get here, even before things get loaded, you see it's showing that I'm verified. If you're not verified, it will show you that not verified, and you need to go through the verification process. This will only take you to upload your NRC or your national card or any other. It could be the driving license. You check through the list of those documents that are needed for you to get verified here. So now, after you get here, click the arrow at the far right there. Okay, so you will find yourself here. So the ID they want is this one here, UID. I'm just gonna click the copy icon there and then head back to MemeFi. Okay, so we are back on MemeFi, so I'm gonna click enter OKX ID and then I paste, then hit go. Okay, so there it is. Then the next thing is I need to click here where it reads enter deposit address and then head on to OKX so that I copy this. Okay, so I'm back on OKX. I'm still here, so I'll need to click that arrow in the top left so that I go back to the main page. Okay, so once you get here, what you need to do is you click deposit crypto. Once you activate the exchange tab, click deposit crypto, and then after all these load up, you need to punch on top there. You search for MemeFi. Okay, so there it is, right? It is here. So what you need to do is you click MemeFi and it will load. Okay, so once this loads, all you have to do is to slide that at the bottom, and when you slide to the right, you'll see a comment exposed and then the address as well. So now I'm covering this for the sake of, you know, security, and once these are exposed, my video might actually be put down by YouTube, because YouTube is meant to be a safe place. It's one of those guidelines that people have to stick to. Now they have to abide by whenever they're uploading content. So I'm covering part of my deposit address as well as that which can be scanned on top. So I'm gonna slide that and then hit copy and then head back to MemeFi. Yeah, very good. Head back to Telegram and then paste it in there and then submit. Okay, so that has been copied. Let's now head back to MemeFi bot. Okay, so once I get back here, I just have to tap and hold and then paste the address and then hit continue. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now let me hit continue. And boom, they're saying claim processing, please wait for off-chain. Okay, so that has been done. You do the same thing. Go ahead and claim your tokens from MemeFi bot. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with as many friends as you can, especially those who've been mining MemeFi. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. That helps with the algorithm liking the video and pushing it to the wider audience. Stay blessed.